So this is Chris. We're now outside looking at a sample grip. This is a special grip that we are using to help beginners to see how they should hold the club. You can see that there's a little white area here that shows how the hand should be held. You can see this is kind of parallels, this V parallels the V of your inside of your hand and your thumb, and this is called the V in the swing or in the grip, and you want the V to be pointing toward your right shoulder if you're a right-hander. So you notice that when you hold a club, of course you have to hold it with the end of the club straight, but you notice that the club could be, your hand could be twisted one way or the other, and the correct way to do it is to have your hand twisted a little bit in this direction so that this V would be pointing toward your right shoulder. And you just notice how the thumb is a little bit on the side of the club. This is your left thumb now. Okay, so this is the way that you want to hold the club, and you want it to be fairly relaxed. So when it's time to put the other hand on the club, you can see you can do the same thing, have it twisted one way or the other. You want to have it twisted so that, again, the V formed between your inside of your hand and the inside of the thumb and the inside of the hand. That V is sort of pointing toward your right shoulder. So you could be holding it in a number of ways, but you want to be holding it in that fashion. And you can see now, for instance, the club, if we look at this end of the club is straight, and when this club is straight like this is when the end of the when you take your grip, you want the club to be in this sort of orientation. So this edge is pointing square to your target, which in this case is in this direction. When you put your hands together, you put the left hand on first, get it oriented, and then the right hand goes on top with the middle part of your palm here fitting on top of your left thumb. So now we have both V's pointing toward your right shoulder. And you should hold the club so that you're not holding it very tightly in your hand. Okay.